Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements and welcome to another video where today we're going to be analysing the NASDAQ100 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, for those who are still wanting to join my Signal group, make sure you head over to my website dailymarketmovements.com. The website link is in the description of today's video. I charge a very small fee of $29.99 to join that group. And that group, I distribute the signals via that group over on Telegram. So make sure you go and sign up, and you'll be sent an email with that private joining link. But let's look at the NASDAQ 100 going forward. NASDAQ 100 currently down around 1.3% during today's trading session, and this is, perfectly normal. I actually expected it due to the fact we had such a large rally from Tuesday onwards of last week. I think I explained that, from the lows that we achieved on Tuesday all the way to the highs, we rallied 11.3%. It's incredible here for the NASDAQ 100, 11.3% in just 4 trading days. I think it was the largest rally that we had since March 2020, and that was of course when we rallied significantly from COVID, during this phase here. So very large rally here, some really strong buying, and definitely some indications out there that this could have been the bottom here, down at 13,000. And if you turn on the news now, you will see news headlines about Jerome Powell just come out and apparently announced that inflation is very, very high. And since then, you have seen the markets pull back around 1%, but I don't really think that's due to his comments, okay? We already know that inflation's high. We already know that the Fed is going to be hiking interest rates to combat that. So I just feel like the market's kind of just using it as an excuse to kind of consolidate after last week's huge gains. This is perfectly normal. I would have been very surprised if we continue to rally towards the upside here. I think I explained on Friday last week that we are probably going to go into, kind of trade within a platform here, trying to stick around this 14,500 area, until then we can recharge our batteries and then try and break back up towards the 200-day EMA, and then ultimately above that, and then that then sends us all the way up towards 15,300, and then eventually 16,000, and then of course the highs, which is all the way up at 16,700. So it's all just part of the process here. In fact, I wouldn't even be surprised if we did go and retest this area here, which is around 13,700. We've been rejected from the 50-day EMA first time round. We could go and retest this 0.236 fib level. That's currently where the top side of this previous down sloping wedge that we were trading in. That's one typical move that you see when you break out of a certain area. You typically go back and retest it to see whether it now reacts as the new floor, and then from there onwards you can trade back towards the upside. So that's actually a move that I'm kind of looking out for. If we did get a move down towards that 0.23 area, that's an area where I would be willing to buy the NASDAQ 100 here. But things are looking very good. We snapped out of that long-term negative trend that we've been trading in since January 2022. So since we started via New Year, we've just been pretty much trading in the red ever since. So very positive that we've managed to snap out that trade, and there's going to be some fantastic money making opportunities in the short term and the medium and long term here for the NASDAQ 100. So don't forget to go and check out my website to join my Signal team if you are wanting to copy the same trades as me.